New video then. I'm doing grass. Yes, grass. You heard that, grass. I'm talking about grass. So yeah, this video will be about grass and me touching it for once. Okay, look at grass. There you go. Okay, how do I stretch this into a longer than 3-minute video? Because I post a new long form video every month, and it's November. Get up, mosquito. Yeah. And I have some bad news, kind of. So yeah. Okay, the bad news is I moved from Florida to South Carolina. Yes, I know. I moved. I'm tired of saying it's just a vacation. And I also lied in the Nerds Dummies review video. Okay, and also another thing is that, as you know, I made a playlist of it. I have a cat. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. Wait, this video is only wait, let me see. What? It's only 1.5 minutes long. How do I turn this into a 3-minute video? I don't know. Okay, seriously. But that's it. There's really nothing interesting. This sky. Now, I'm not showing my local thing, but there's just nothing, okay? Okay, I had to. I was getting something out of my teeth. There's a curse, but it's like, there's literally nothing interesting to show.
Hey, what's that spider web?
Okay, I almost got. Wait, there's almost a spider web, but wait, it's almost the end of the video. Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, there's spider webs everywhere. Now that I have 20 seconds of talking left, I just realized there's a lot to say. So yeah. Wait, I had to go. Oh! What, guys? Bye. I know. Okay. This is just the end of the video, not my channel. But you know. Wait, why isn't the video ending? Wait, is this 4 minutes long? 5 minutes? I might as well name this video 5 minutes to take a breakout. But like, I found this acorn. Why did I just, you might say, why did I stop posting videos as much? Back then I used to post like 3 or even 5 videos a day. But now, 1 every week or 2. Do I just want to stop? It's like this bus thing. Okay, just a sec. Jeez, sorry parents. Okay, this core life to Earth, just kind of boring. I didn't want this to be turned into, wait, this is 4 minutes long. Now it's gonna be 5 and 10 seconds. So yeah, that is our 5 minutes nature brick walk!